Hey, Aussies! Feeling like you need a gym or fancy gear to get fit? Think again. You've got the best fitness tool already, your body. Let's crush a full body workout together right here, right now. Perfect for beginners. Zero equipment needed. First, let's warm up. A few minutes of light cardio like marching on the spot or arm circles will do wonders. Get that blood flowing. Ready? Our first move is the classic squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips back and down like sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up and back straight. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. Feel that power building in your legs. Next up, push-ups. Too tough? No worries. Start on your knees or do them against a wall. Keep your body in a straight line from head to knees or heels. Lower down, elbows slightly tucked. Push back up. 8 to 10 reps. You've got this. Now for lunges. Step 1 foot forward, lowering both knees to about 90 degrees. Keep your front knee over your ankle. Push off the front foot to return. Alternate legs for 10 to 12 reps total. Great for balance and leg strength. Let's hit the core with a plank. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels, resting on your forearms and toes. Engage your core. Don't let those hips sag. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. You're stronger than you think. Finish strong with some jumping jacks or high knees for 30 to 60 seconds to get that heart rate up. Modify if needed. Step jacks are great too. Amazing work. Don't forget to cool down with some gentle stretches. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Consistency is key. Do this routine 2 to 3 times a week. You'll feel stronger and more energetic in no time. You absolutely smashed it today.